Childrearing and the proper use of technology. So we all like technology, advancements, helps us do stuff, makes us go from 2 hands to 4, right? Basically. But the thing is, for kids and raising them, you have to be aware of how you use technology. And I think I discovered the perfect way. So I'm trying to teach our daughter how to sleep, right, by herself. Because she likes being held and she can sleep that way, but by herself, she'll cry, she'll fuss, blah, blah, blah. And so I'll pat her and I go, shh, shh, right? But my voice is getting sort of hoarse, throat gets dry. So I recorded my voice so I could play it there. When I'm there, I'm still patting her. I don't have a way of replacing that. But I'm still patting her and just using something else to save my voice. And I think that's a perfectly good use of technology. Now, if you weren't there and you just had the machine do it, I don't think that's the same, right? Because I'm there, I'm spending time with her, she has my presence, right? It's like you look at, I forgot where I was, Taiwan or Japan or something, and there is some little kid playing a playground in front of her walking by. And the little kid is sort of lonely. He's playing by himself. And then he's talking to somebody on a walkie-talkie every now and then, and that's his dad. And looking way far away, there's his dad sitting on the bench on his phone. Obviously, right? His dad probably was obligated, told by his wife, whatever, to go with the kid to the park. Doesn't really want to be here, rather be on his phone. Just go play, right? We'll be here for an hour. I don't know that that's a good use of technology, the fact that he has a walkie-talkie. It means he can keep tabs on his kid. But the whole point is he's supposed to be in the park with his kid, spending time with him, right? And this is just enabling him not to do that, right? And I think that's a tricky thing. So much technology, right? If it can enable us to spend time with your kid and do it better, right? Like earplugs so I can withstand her crying more, then that's a good thing. But if it's trying to replace you, if you're using it to replace you, so you don't have to physically be there or emotionally or mentally be there with a kid, I don't think that's a good thing, right? Because presence cannot be replaced. We understand that because we still visit people in person. It's one thing to get a phone call from somebody, another thing to see them face to face, right? I mean, it's cool already to listen to, say talk to Michael Jordan on the phone, but to meet him, that's another level of cool, right? And I think presence is something your kids need, your presence. So don't let technology replace that. Let it help you be present with them more.